it? Because I've been on your stage there. Where exactly?
When you go in, you can see the...
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the Tebe, and that includes you. Today I'm filling in for Jeff, and I'm very excited for our
new show, the Jeff Richards Show.
Oh, did you?
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's not.
But do you like orange juice?
Great Jeff Richards is at what he does. It means that you can differentiate. You see, it is indistinguishable. Sometimes.
Well, one of my first impressions was Fred Gwynn.
Zelda and Scott Fitzgerald with back in 1988, you know.
Oh,
so his
beautiful.
book is very smart.
It's outstanding.
I have to get some because I love fragrance.
You should work at Red Lobster.
Yeah.
You want to get into that or what?
The conviction that you need to have. I
No,
mean,
you're a bit. I've always been a fan.
I had the smell. I had the taste of tropics float.
Now you were just asking me, Patrick. It's good to see you.
I mean, jujitsu, you know.
It's real.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it. Just is.
Ones you like to, Brad.
All right, take it easy, will you? Well, one of my first impressions.
Guys, welcome to the Jeff Richards Show. My name is Jason Tebow. My friends call me the Tebe, and that includes you.
For dinner last night, but I can tell you who. I did a reading of the love letters of Zelda and Scott.
The conviction that you need to have. I mean,
you're a bit. I've always been a fan.
Okay, here we go. Wikipedia says that you should work at Red Lobster.
Now you were just asking me, Patrick. It's good to see you.
I love the temperature controls, you know.
Breeze. Remember Aqua Breeze? It was Aqua Breeze. I had that flown in.
Jiu-jitsu. What is that supposed to mean? Jiu-jitsu, you know.
You ready to?
Extrasensory perception. I got into composing and arranging and I have no idea.
It's my show.
Killing it, boy, killing it.